the man who murdered those children? Are you the one who needs to die? Well, it really doesn't matter. You are here of your own free will, which means that you are not innocent. And we only spare those who are innocent. For you, however, I believe that a rather painful death is in order. I believe that suffering would do good things for your soul. So run if you'd like, or don't. Either way, we will find you and slowly mutilate you. By stepping foot in this place, you surrendered your right to live. Now die!